celebration. And we are here at Hale, the DLSU University Week 2015 culminating concert, where the fun just never stops with all the booths, activities, and great band performances.
So we featured different cultures around the world. As you can see, mayroong mga countries like Brazil, Germany. Yeah, it's kind of a festival celebrating world's different cultures, and it also shows that community mission, that wherever we come from, it's about celebrating our diversity and helping each other out with our mission. As you can see, there are a lot of people having fun, having this time of their lives, enjoying and taking this as a break from their academics, and this is something that we do. Aside from studying, this is the other side of the sun.
Academics. Since it's Friday, it's also our free day. Really looking forward to David Callum, not just doing it, and for Hale, because it's their comeback, and I'm really excited about it.
You feel the college spirit? Because I certainly did. Thank you, DLSU, for a night of fun and excitement. Once again, I'm Trees for the Mash and Cable Television.